Alrighty, Bruce, here's your LS. Give you a description of this combination. It's got a set of our ass cast heads, custom grind hydraulic roller, got the Holley ram on it, got your oil pan you needed for it, front end's on it, make sure the alternator functions for you. Go in there and make a run, see what she does. Stay tuned. Okie dokie, 3,600, 462 foot-pounds torque, peak torque 509, really flat there, that's good. Peak horsepower 532, rate of 530, it's got a front end on it, that's usually about 15, so runs good. We'll do now pull the pipes back, make sure it's good and clean, and show you a couple things here. When you see your engine, find this thing looks like a credit card, it's a USB card, it is full of technical information. Highly recommend watching it. On the engine will be this tag, it'll have your engine number, some other specifications. Need something from us, that engine number is the easiest way for us to look you up. Flip it over, it's got a QR code. That will take you some more tech stuff. Have a great day.